When you're born into a physical body, you have forgotten your past lives. You've forgotten everything. You come in fresh. And immediately, because our parents were indoctrinated with the programming, our programming begins right away. Are you a girl or a boy? This is what we do. Don't be weird. Everybody has their own alarm clock when they're supposed to wake up. And everybody awakens in their own time, so there's no judgment and no pressure. We're all awakening. The separation from God is an illusion. You don't have to worry about your family and friends that are not getting it. It's like, oh my God, I'm gonna ascend to the fifth dimension and I'll never see them again. We're all connected all the time. But now more and more people are feeling this. It's like a fire of freedom. Everybody is activated, and now we're entering the golden age of truth and freedom and awareness and awakening again. So they last about 2,000 years, the age of Aries and the age of Pisces, and now we're entering the age of Aquarius. So there is a massive awakening. What's so interesting about this particular time in history is that there's all this intense light coming into the planet. Enough people have heard the call. The awakening that's happening now, it's a beautiful thing. We all chose to be here at this particular time in history, and there's really never been anything like it. All eyes are on us right now in the universe because a magical thing is happening on the planet, and we will return to the garden where it's sustainable for everyone and we can all live in peace and harmony because it's possible, and our souls remember, our cells remember what it's like to live in harmony with the earth and with each other. Everything is a projection of the one mind. That's why the only solution is an internal revolution, to go within. If you want to see change in the outside world, go within and change yourself, because it's freedom, and everybody wants freedom, right? The whole world wants freedom right now. And fighting against something and rioting and picketing against something just makes the war stronger in a way. So really, it's about changing the entire paradigm. And when we're activated and awakened to who we really are as eternal divine love, which is the strongest force in the universe, that would change civilization in an instant. And I'm not trying to convince anybody of anything. I can't teach anybody anything. I'm just being a reflection of how much fun you can have when you're connected to the source. So we're reclaiming our wholeness, we're coming back into balance. And as we do that, the darkness falls away and we return to the source of light, which is who we really are, which is eternal divine love.